So guys, I'm going live on YouTube in a few. And then YouTube, I'm live actually. Go live YouTube. Okay. So guys, I'm live on YouTube. For those watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. So you can go live there. As I'm doing the analysis. If you can hear me clearly on YouTube, just say hi, good morning before I start the analysis. Okay, kusini aje. Twende YouTube, twende YouTube. Twende YouTube. Okay. So let me share my screen. And for those people who are already on YouTube, just give us a shout out. Good morning. How's your weekend? Before we continue, let us know which pair you benefited from last week analysis. Last week I gave around a couple of two analysis. Yeah. So can you just be able to share the kind of analysis you are able to catch? Let me flip my camera. Na nyako TikTok, mtaona vizuri. Mweneni YouTube. Okay. So I want to read also the comments. Hi Rogers, how are you? Okay, so I'm waiting for you guys just to comment down below on YouTube, and then we can start our morning analysis live on my YouTube. The first pair normally I start with is USDCHF. Hello, Dr. Kwasana Alex. And also I'll be doing gold analysis because there are so many questions that I can text about gold. Dios me happy. Kwasana, how are you? Um, Guys, comment down below. Those people on YouTube, if you can hear me clearly, just comment down below. And those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's why you can be able to see these analyses. Yeah. I'll go directly to the pairs that I have for today. So if you have any other pair that you want me to check it out for you, you just comment down below on the comment section. But I'll go down to the pairs I have specifically. So on USDCHF today, I don't have any other view on it. The only view I have for USDCHF is sales from this order block, which is visible on 4 hours. These cells, yeah. That's the only possible sales for USDCHF, which I have an order block from there. And also you can clearly see the market is reacting from a break and interest. So I want the market to push way higher all the way to that order block. And remember that USDCHF helps us in terms of correlation with gold. Do you know case that way? So they are negatively correlated with gold. So if you're expecting this market reacting from a demand, like a break, a demand area, and the market we are expecting it to push all the way to the order block area. That means we expect the 10 gold to drop. So I'll show you the expectation when it's come to gold when we go back there. So that's my view on USDCHF. Remember this one, lazima ni analyze USDCHF, no ni analyze gold. That's what I do. Okay, so for those people on YouTube, can you let me know if you can hear me clearly? Because I can say people, unaona watu wakinisalimia hello, Alice Mwigai, poa sana. So for re-entry, and I can see on 1 hour this market is about to make also a fair swing and a change of character when it's come to 1 hour on USDCHF. No, even 1 hour and 2 hours, yeah. Yeah, okay. So let's go to the next pair. Let's go to GU. The next, I've said I'm going directly to the pairs that I'm looking forward to for me. So this is Euro AUD. Euro AUD, since last week we have been selling Euro AUD from this failure swing here. change of character. We did change of character here. And then also we came and also took another sales here with these reversals of head and shoulders. The market came, also did another failure swing and change of character. The market did a flag and drop. And still today, I'm expecting for more sales. I think I had a setup. Where was it? I think the setup was on 4 hours. Yeah. Where was the setup? I had a setup on it. Still the same today. I'm still expecting for these Euro AUD to drop all the way to this order block. I'm still expecting this Euro AUD to drop all the way, but sasa hii ukiangalia risk to reward ratio haingiani because ukiingia entry hapa stop loss inafaa ikuwe hapa sasa, na kama target ni hapa, so it is not giving us a very good conference. And for those people who are on TikTok, kindly go to my YouTube channel. That's where you're going to see this live stream from. Iko much clear, iko way much clear than what you're seeing on TikTok. Unaona watu wenye wako YouTube wanaona vizuri, so TikTok you won't have to see the screen vizuri. That's the view when it's come to Euro AUD. So for me nikiulizwa, if you are on this trade, just if you are still on sales, because when you tulichukua sales kuanzia last week, the sales are still valid all the way down here. Okay. Sasa wewe asubuhi anafunzwa kuunda pesa, anaomba 100, enda ufanye kazi. Eurocard. Let's come to Eurocard. I don't think I have any view on Eurocard today. No, I don't have any view on Eurocard. G card. So I'll go directly to the pairs zenye niko nazo leo. Still G card sioni niko na view. GBP AUD. Laptop imehang. Sijui kama YouTube nimehang. Oh, niko sawa. Okay, GBP AUD I'm looking for sales. Actually, this one is an active sales for today with a short position in a car heavy. Short position on GBP AUD with a stop loss there and targeting all the way down. That's a view on GBP AUD. Okay, that's my view on GBP AUD with a risk ratio of 1:2. Yes, the JPY. This one totally miss out. You know, this one was a very nice trade when it comes to GBP JPY. Look at this GBP JPY. The market did a very nice break and kumbuka, and won't be the last day. This won't be the last day this JPY pairs itakuwa zinafanya easy spikes. And I have always talked about this each and every day. For those people who know me for a while, naambianga JPY pairs ikidrop hivi, lazima ifanye correction. Lazima inakujanga na buy pole pole. You can clearly see this market is just a simple of a break and retest, and also it had liquidity here. It had a very nice liquidity. You can guess this was on Thursday, and Friday the market came just to grab Thursday's liquidity. And the moment the market may grab this is what we call liquidity sweep. This one. Market is pushing way higher. So what I can clearly see after the liquidity, the market is pushing way higher. So what we can expect is just a fair swing and a change of character. So you are going to have more re-entries for more buys from here. Wait for the market just retrace all the way back down here, and then we can do a re-entry for more continuation of more buys. And don't over target here. So we are going to have a long position, which is going to look like this: an entry, a stop loss there, and a target all the way out the hapo. That's a view on USDJPY. It's a very nice view. With oil, I don't have any view on oil today. I don't have any view on oil. CAD Okay, I don't have any views on CAD. Okay. So when it's come to also Euro JPY, no view, and the JPY. Still NZD card I have a view. So NZD card today I'm looking for this various and change of character. So this one is a nice, we can watch it out today, either today or tomorrow, but it's a nice entry. So guys, watch out this in entry for a week. Of course we have a various swing, and then we have a change of character here. And those watching on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. That's why you can be able hapa kunaweza kuwa na order block. Able to do 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah. So we can watch out for a very nice entry on this pair. And you can use either 15 minutes or 30 minutes to confirm. Wait for the market to come back all the way here, and then we continue selling. So we are going to look forward for a short position from here and a stop loss way hapo and target way down here. That's the view on NZD card. Na iko na pips kwanza. Let's look at the risk reward ratio. Stop loss ni 8 pips, target how many? 26 pips. It's worth it because that's $80 and $260. It's worth that risk. And then we go to GBP NZD. Did I have any view on GBP NZD today? No. These mobiles, considering that the market did a failure swing and a change of character hapa, nilikuwa nimeona, you see this market did a failure swing and a change of character, and the market just came to react there and then went high. It shows me the market is going to go high. So the only re-entry we can have is, also it has a failure swing and a change of character. We can have another re-entry here. So for mobiles, look forward for mobiles from GBP NZD here. And kama GBP NZD iko na hiyo basi Euro NZD has the same setup. Tunaweza pata that the same setup on this one. So I'm live on YouTube as Dr Forex. Watu wanauza YouTube name wenye wanakuwa kwa YouTube yangu wamcomment hapo. And we have around 50 people, but when it's come to likes, watu wa like videos zangu. How can we have 100 likes na tuko na almost 50 people? And kama umekuja hapa, we do more of currencies, analysis of currency pairs, and gold will be the last one. So Euro NZD, the same setup bus. Now, hizi no setup naunda pesa nayo. We have Euro NZD and GBP NZD. They have very nice setups of a fair swing and a change of character. So these zote zitakuwa sawa zikiconfirm. So the same case on GBP NZD and Euro NZD, they are nice. They have confirmed for me and target hivyo. So that's on Euro NZD. The same setup is viewed on GBP NZD. And ukiangalia hizi pairs zinakuwa na pips. So let me talk about this. Whenever you're coming to trade like pairs like GBP NZD and Euro NZD, the other thing you have to make sure is having a tight spread. So you have to trade with a broker on a tight, because these currencies can be so frustrating if you have like a broker on a big spread. Honestly, if you check your broker right now, ama the broker using, utapata hizi spread ni kubwa, so utapata the target nini na kuingia in terms of kuingia into profit, it will take time for you and you end up getting frustrated. Like this one has a target of around 85 pips. 85 pips hiyo kidogo kwa forex. 85 pips, that's over 850 na lot ya 1, and a stop loss I know it will be around 20 pips, so a loss of $200 and a target of 850. So that's the view on GBP NZD. So and a stop loss hapo. Yes, that's a view on GBP NZD. So this is a very nice setup. Guys, watch it out, and when you're analyzing on YouTube, mtu comment hapo, I'll pin it down. Paulina na wakiniambia check GBP NZD, ninaangalia GBP NZD, and I'm also on Euro NZD. Hizo ndo nimeona ziko sawa. So far since we started this analysis, I've talked about USD CHF. This one is a bit far, so cause this one tutongoja all the way hadi order block huko juu is a bit far. GU and USD na any view. Euro AUD, it's an actual a sell, but this one, the risk to reward ratio haipelekani, because if you take this sell here, it's a bit late. So your stop loss is supposed to be here, so you are risking how many pips? Mkisikia nikisema risk to reward ratio ni kwa sababu your stop loss will be around that 6 pips and target unaona haipelekani 24 pips, so it's not worth it. But kama umechukua hii pair kuanzia last week, they have been having this pair back to back last week, you can still continue holding it. And those people watching live on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube. That's why you can be able to see this analysis. So let's continue. Niko wapi? Niko hapa kwa GBP NZD na Euro NZD. GBP JPY. GBP JPY, nilikuwa nimeona this re-entry from this liquidity ya leo. Na itarudi by New York. Liquidity using today's entry using today's liquidity. And because the reason why I'm choosing this area, it's also a reversal entry. So that's the only place we can be able to target for more buys, and it's also a reversal of an inverted, and we are going to have a risk to reward ratio 1:3. So that's the view on GBP JPY today, meaning we are having, and this one is a very nice setup, you can watch it out today. Itakuwa activated majorly jioni. Saa hii saa mbili kuja jioni, uangalie GBP JPY from around maybe 2 to 3 p.m. That's when inaweza kuwa activated. Okay, let's go to the next pair. Nasdaq, I don't have any view on Nasdaq. The same case to US30. Nimeangalia asubuhi, I didn't see any view on them. Hakuna kitu naona kwa Nasdaq na US30. Nilikuwa nimezipitia. The reason naenda direct to my analysis is because I had already done this analysis and I'm a bit quick. So if you are missing out anything on this live stream, go to my YouTube, utapata na hizi analysis zote pole pole. This NZD USD, same case NZD USD, I don't have any view. Venye nimekosa tu GU, GU, GBP USD, Euro USD, NZD USD, they have the same positive correlation. So the same way nimekosa huko pia kwa NZD USD, I don't have any view. And AUD USD, But we come to AUD NZD. Um, AUD NZD, we have an order block and we have a failure swing and a change of character. So we can wait for more buys from this pair, from that particular level of AUD NZD. Iko na setups. More buys, tuendelee kupanda. Haya, Bitcoin sina any view. Bitcoin nilitrade over weekend. By the actually nilikuwa nimetrade Bitcoin over the weekend. Nilikuwa na buy hapa. With this range in your flag, nilikuwa nimebuy hapa. Let's check Bitcoin on a daily time frame. This looks strange. This Bitcoin sina any view. Kama Bitcoin pia nani aendango nani view. Ethereum no view. Euro CHF. Let's come back to 4 hours. Na Euro CHF ainanga pips. So you have to increase your lot size if you want to trade this one. Euro CHF imetuachia order block huku. And let's say on daily time frame. 4 hours. 2 hours hakuna, 4 hours ndo kuna hii, and I can't really call it an actual order block because ime retrace again, so I don't have any view on Euro CHF. Let's go to Eurocard. We had these buys kutoka this failure swing change of character, unaweza iona huku failure swing change of character, so this market is bullish, haija change direction. So if you want to do a re-entry, our re-entry is from this particular level. Now you watch out this one, the market retrace from there and then we continue buying. Okay, so those are currency pairs. That's a view on AUD card. It's a very nice setup. If you have any pre-request, now the next one I want to do is gold. Okay, let's come to gold. When it's come to gold, this week, I'll start from, I think I'll show it on here, this time frame. So when you check history of gold, this was yeah, date 24 June. So the market ilikuja ikaswipe the previous week liquidity, and that's what I really expected. After swiping this liquidity ya low, na ikakuja ikatoa hizi, it shows me the market is really bullish, and they have to push this market all the way to, sorry, it has to push this market. You come and collect TikTok, naona imehang. It has to push this market all the way to the liquidity high. So meaning the liquidity high iko hapa. This is the high liquidity. So what I'm expecting is this buys the valid because market ijafika hapa. But where can we have more buys? We can have more buys from this area. This area. And I wanted to show you this area. Let me give you the exact place where I want us to buy from. Yeah, that's the exact area I'm looking for. So I'm looking for to buy gold from this particular level, from this area, all the way back to this liquidity. So for now, hapa I don't have any buys. I can't have any buys. And there's something I normally talk about it. And whenever you wake up and when unajua nimewafunza forex, ukiamka, this is the beginning of the day, of course. Ukiamka upate market imeswipe this liquidity, it's always a red flag. Bro, hii kitu inaweza kuosha the whole day. This one, ukiona imeswipe liquidity na imeanza kushuka, inaweza kuosha the whole day. So don't joke with it. So I want this market to push all the way down hadi hapa hivi. So for buys, I don't see any active buys. Nimeona hapa kijaribu kupush for buys. Buys ziko huku chini. Wait for the market to trace all the way back down to this particular level so as you can go back hadi hapa hivi due to swipe liquidity. So that's my view on XAUSD. Hata iliniambia ukirudi on 5 minutes, you want to look forward for more sales from this particular level, which is a failure swing and a change of character. So at buys from there, it will retest you and then you continue selling. But the sales, they're coming all the way down to 40.75. Those are the areas I'm targeting the market to come from. So unless someone has a question, for those people who are on YouTube, and kama umejoin live stream ya TikTok right now, and uje catch up na analysis, you can go on my YouTube channel. This is the YouTube channel. I'm live. The YouTube channel is Dr Forex. So that's where you can be able to see these analysis from. And we have so many couples of analysis today. And check it. I have seen Euro NZD and that's the reason unaona pia hiyo DCHF, it has to come back all the way to this order block of ours. That's the same view on gold. So gold is dropping all the way to that level nimeonyesha. So when it comes to the setup zenye nimeona, we can be able to wait for is GBP NZD. This is a nice pair, GBP NZD. Euro NZD is still on our bucket list today. And AUD card is still on our bucket list today with this failure swing and change of character. You can comment down which pair also umeona, because I have really analyzed so many pairs. You can just put it down on the comment section. Someone is saying USD card. I said USD card level missing a view, seen a view on USD card. And those people who are live on TikTok, like 600 likes surely with over 60 people. Another thing is if you have not followed me, because I can see 85% of the people on the live stream, they have not followed the creator. Make sure you hit that follow button. So whenever I come live stream, you can be able to be notified when I'm doing this analysis. I rarely do this analysis live on TikTok, but I normally do them on my YouTube channel. Yeah. On currencies, which pair is okay? I have mentioned these euro NZD, GBP NZD, and these pairs you can pesa. Don't joke with them. They have very good amount of pips. These pairs. If I calculate these pips from you from this entry to this pair entry here, these are over 86 pips. 86 pips. That's a lot of money because 86 pips that's over 800 and something dollars. So and these pairs kama una broker mzuri kwa currency utateseka tu kabisa. Make sure you're trading with a broker kuna tight spread because most of the brokers ukikuja huku nje wako na spread kubwa sana 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 sana. Which so make sure the broker una trade naye ako sawa. Hizi si gold. Unajua gold, most of the brokers gold wako na tight spread because they know gold is volatile, but currencies make sure you have a good broker for tight spread. What about GBPUSD? GU and EURUSD sina view today. Iko hivi. Ndio GU and EURUSD. Oh, GU, the only place na target ni hii order block iko hapa. And listen to me guys, GU ishafanya failure swing change of character. Weka line chart inakuonyesha hivyo. Hii market ina drop. Unaona? Hii market ishafanya failure swing change of character. Angalia on 4 hours, weka line chart. This market is dropping all the way to, we have a failure swing. We have a change of character. Very nice one. GU mko na entry level. So wait for the market just do a retracement and then enter, sell all the way to this OB, which is I'm targeting market to buy from there. So that's a view on GU. Now basically GU na gold retrace sells. That's a view on GBPUSD. A small retracement, irudi juu kidogo, and then we continue selling hadi hapa chini. That's the view on GU. After GU is a very nice pair today. So we have sales and we have buys. So wait for the market just to do a retracement, sells, or they pop hadi uko chini. Yeah, that's a very nice pair on today's Euro USD. Siko nimeona hata Euro USD iko na fair swing, change of character. It has already done a fair swing and change of character. Just a retracement peke yake. It drop pia. It drop at these levels huko chini. AU ni AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD. And come to AUD USD for 1 hour. Hii ni sell. Iko na fair swing change of character. It's a sell. It's a sell. It's a sell. And if you want to risk, make sure your stop loss isipite hapa. Hizo ni stop loss ya how many pips? Stop loss ya 8 pips isipite hapo. And I will emphasize again, kama una trade hizi currencies, make sure you have a very nice broker, to be honest. Because utabata broker, AUDSD ako na spread inatoshana hapa hadi huku hivi tu. So AUDSD, it's a sell. It's a sell. Any other pair? GBP and ZD. GBP and ZD have given a very nice pair, a nice setup. Buys from these areas will change of character, buys from there. And those on YouTube, hamuulizi maswali. That's what I want you guys to ask more questions. GBP and ZD, I think I have shown you the GBP and ZD setup. Busi. Okay, and GGN imepeana setup the liquidity. So wait for the market, it will be all the way back to liquidity level. Those are the setup you're watching out today. And also they can be activated either today or tomorrow, so you can watch out which time frame. This is how we have to use a time frame. Time frame doesn't make any difference as long as you make an entry. A triple J. So if you want to watch more of this, you can go on YouTube. That's why you can be able to see this analysis ziko much and way better. Kuna screen poa kwa YouTube hapo utawatch vizuri. After that point, any question before nifunge live stream? Euro JPY sina view yake leo. Euro JPY sijaona any view. Copy Euro JPY. I don't have anything on Euro JPY. I don't have anything on Euro JPY. Ndio hiyo Euro JPY yenyewe. Sina anything. US all, pia US all sina anything on US all today. Nimejaribu kuangalia. So I give you views on where I have. Sasa hii unaona mali nakaa 1 hour hizi candlestick hivi. Karibu imekaa for 5 hours. I don't have any view on US oil. And I don't have any view on US oil. And for those people, tap screen to make more than 50, 60 people, but likes in 1K. Those are very small likes, guys. Yeah. Okay, so guys, watch out those analyses. Unless you have a question, unaweza niuliza directly to my DM on my Telegram. Yeah, and guys, I share signals. If you don't have time to watch these, but this is what we basically. If you are lazy, you can be able to analyze all these charts. Come for signals. Okay. So that's the view on today's. So bye bye. Let me end the Euro USD hiyo failure swing. Wachana na Euro USD. Euro USD hiyo failure swing haiko poa. Heri uende failure swing ya GU. Failure swing ya GU iko sawa kushinda ni Rogers. Failure swing ya Euro USD I add up, ya GU ndo ina add up. Unaona ya GU ndo iko sawa. So wait for failure swing ya nini? XAUSD gold nimefanya. And for my YouTube people, when you join, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit that like button. We have 7 likes on YouTube. And just in case you have a question, you can ask me. Okay. And to my TikTok people, let me end the live stream. I'm done with the analysis.